Did you know 56% of people have no idea how much they spent last month? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own budget in Google Sheets from scratch, step by step, beginner-friendly, completely free. And if you'd rather skip the building part, I've got a fully automated version linked below. Let's go. Why Google Sheets? 3 reasons. It's completely free, it works on every device, phone, tablet, laptop, and most importantly your data stays private. No bank login, no third-party app, no subscription. Just you and your numbers. Perfect. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. First thing, rename it My Budget 2026. Now create 4 tabs at the bottom: Income, Budget, Expenses, and Dashboard. These 4 tabs are the foundation of every great budget system. Got them? Perfect, let's fill them in. Click on your Income tab. Create 3 columns: income source, monthly amount, and type. Now list every single income source. Your salary, any freelance work, side hustle money, interest from savings, everything goes here. Add a sum formula at the top, equals sum, and select all your amounts. This gives you your total monthly income automatically. Mine comes to just over $5,000. Now the Budget tab, this is where most people go wrong. They list too many categories. Keep it simple, 8 to 12 categories maximum. Rent, groceries, dining out, transport, utilities, entertainment, savings, and debt payment. That covers 90% of what most people spend. Add 2 columns next to each category: budget target and actual spent. Add a difference formula, budget minus actual, and use conditional formatting to turn it red when you go over. Now you have a real budget. The Expenses tab is where the magic happens. 4 columns: date, description, category, and amount. Every time you spend money, even a $2 coffee, log it here. Takes 30 seconds. At the top, add SUMIF formulas to total each category automatically. This feeds straight into your Budget tab so your actual spending updates in real time. This one habit, logging every expense, is what separates people who actually save money from people who wonder where it all went. Finally, the Dashboard tab, your command center. Pull your key numbers here using simple equals formulas linking to your other tabs. Total income, total budgeted, total spent, and how much you have remaining this month. Add a simple status formula: if remaining is greater than 0, show on track, otherwise show over budget. Now every time you open this file you see your entire financial picture in 5 seconds. Now, if all of that sounds like a lot of work, I completely understand. That's exactly why I built the fully automated version. It's got 8 sheets, everything is pre-built with all formulas ready: income tracker, expense log, savings goals, net worth tracker, the works. You just enter your numbers and it does everything else. It's $12 on Gumroad, link in the description. One-time payment, yours forever. Whether you build it yourself using this tutorial or grab my ready-made template, the important thing is you start. Your future self will thank you. If this helped, please smash that like button and subscribe for weekly money tips. See you in the next one. Let's get that money right.